Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the F1 TV app to watch Formula One races and get the most out of your experience. Once you've downloaded the F1 TV app from the App Store or Google Play, open it and sign in with your account or create one if you're new. If you have an F1 TV Pro subscription, you'll get live races, onboard cameras, and team radios. On the home screen, you'll see upcoming races, highlights, and replays. Tap on a live event to start watching instantly. You can switch between different camera angles, including driver onboard views and pit lane cameras, by tapping the camera icon. If you missed a race, go to the Replays section. You can watch full race replays or short highlights anytime. The Schedule tab shows all upcoming Grand Prix events, and under Settings, you can change video quality, language, or subtitle preferences. That's it! You're now ready to enjoy every moment of F1 racing right from your phone or tablet. Subscribe the channel for more videos.